Dr. Dan when Zeke sleeps. That's the noises that come out of him. I'm going to wake him up. His nose is clear. There's no mucus. There's no mucus at all. Let me wake him up. Zeke! Zeke. Come here, Pumpkinhead. There we go. You awake? You better do a big sneeze. Clear yourself up. Can you see that his nose is clear? It's clear. You better sneeze, Pumpkinhead. So something comes out of there, but to me it doesn't look like it's thick mucus. It doesn't look like anything. Oh, there is a little mucus on that. There is a little bit of white mucus on that. He did sneeze up some white mucus just then. I saw it right there on his left nostril. A little bit of white mucus right there. You need a drinky? Think you're gonna wake up, have a little drinky? You're cleaning yourself up? Let me wake him up for a minute, and then you'll see he sounds better after he wakes up for a minute. He's still cleaning himself up. So it's like a minute later. You can see the hole in his head closing up great though. It's a big sweet potato. He doesn't feel like he can eat hard food yet. He's eating sugar snap peas and already shelled sunflower seeds. He didn't do much damage to that sweet potato. He's using it as a lounge chair. Well, I left the room, so I went back to sleep again. So I'll wake him up again. Just woke up. So we sneeze. Got some little stuff going on, but it doesn't show up where it did at the end of his nose. See, I really did just wake him up. So, oops. So, he's still clearing things out. Oh, Zeke. Oh, I can't do it this easily. Can you get that yourself?